Hey everyone, and welcome to the Clear Cut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. Today we're discussing how to make your diamond look whiter. So if you have a lower colored diamond and want to make sure that it appears whiter, there are a few different tips and tricks that we can do with this setting that'll really enhance the bright white color and not make it appear warm. First tip. Always set your diamond in platinum. So by setting your diamond directly in platinum and having the basket and prongs in platinum, that white metal is going to reflect into your diamond, making it appear a little bit brighter. If you set the diamond directly in a yellow gold or rose gold, that colored metal is going to reflect into your diamond, and no matter what color it is, it's going to make it look lower. Second tip. Have your shank or band be a colored metal. So you want to set your diamond in platinum, but if you want to enhance the brightness of your diamond, have the contrast of either a yellow gold or rose gold band. The colored metal contrast is really going to make your diamond pop no matter what color it is. Tip 3. Don't set it with pave diamonds. Pave diamonds are those small diamonds that are in the band and are hidden halo. If you have a lower colored diamond, it's going to be very difficult to match the pave to the color of your diamond, especially because the pave is so small and really bright, so typically they will look a little bit whiter than their actual color grade. So if you have a J color center stone and we have J color pave, the pave is still going to appear a bit whiter than your center stone. So if you want to avoid any sort of warmth coming through in your lower color diamond, make sure that you have a plain colored metal band, a platinum head, and avoid the pave on the band. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and class is dismissed.